How do you multiply more than two factors? You will soon learn how to multiply several negative factors. But first, you need to learn how to multiply several positive factors. It's quite possible to multiply many factors. You begin by multiplying two of the numbers, and then multiply that product with the third number. You're free to choose which two numbers you multiply first, and you don't have to do it in any particular order. Take a look at this problem. 7 times 3 times 2. Now you have to choose which two factors you want to multiply first. Let's begin by multiplying 7 and 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Then you have to multiply 21 by 2, which is 42. So 7 times 3 times 2 equals 42. You can also choose another order. Let's try 3 times 2, which is 6. Then you multiply the answer 6 by 7, which is 42. That's the same answer we got with the other order. As you can see, the order we multiply the factors doesn't matter. But some orders can be easier to calculate than others. Here's a slightly larger example. What if you want to find 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6? You know from the previous example that you can multiply the factors in the order you find easiest. I think like this. First, I look for factors that can make a 10. I have a 2 and a 5 whose product is 10. Of the remaining factors, 3 times 4 is 12, which is almost 10. It's not that hard to multiply 6 by 12 and get 72. Here, I think of 12 as 10 plus 2, in order to multiply 6 by each term, and then to add the two answers together. So, 6 times 10 is 60, and 6 times 2 is 12. I then add 60 and 12, which is 72. This leaves me with 10 times 72, which I know from a previous video is solved by writing a 0 behind the last digit. So 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 equals 720. When you multiply more than two factors, you can choose the order yourself.